5 Awesome Benefits of Employing Green Office Cleaning. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. When you clean, do you pay attention to the materials you use? While it's tempting to use the products that advertise a quick clean, especially in this frantic day and age, you should stop and think twice before you bring in an office cleaning company that uses these products. These chemicals may be widely available and scarily efficient, but they are also incredibly dangerous, especially if you have employees with weaker immune systems. There are numerous benefits to be had by employing green office cleaning. Number 1. A healthier work environment. Did you know that regular cleaning chemicals are one of the top 3 indoor pollutants? And whilst it is necessary to maintain a clean working environment, there are ways to do this that mitigate the use of harmful chemicals. Look for a company that uses non-toxic, environmentally certified cleaning products. These products are likely to be comprised of natural ingredients that are less harmful to the environment, whilst providing an advanced surface clean. Better cleaning practices translate to a more hygienic work environment with fewer germs. Number 2. Healthier and happier employees. Aside from the physical benefits associated with eco-friendly office cleaning, there's much to be said about the immeasurable ethical and moral benefits. In the current age of environmental sustainability, employees are more likely to value a workplace that places an emphasis on going green. To further illustrate this point, recent studies have shown that an increasing number of people would prefer to work for an organization that places credence on environmentally conscious work practices. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 3. Less sick days. A more hygienic workplace leads to a reduced likelihood of your employees becoming sick. This equates to less time that your employees take off work, thus saving your business valuable operating costs. And when your employees are healthy at work, this translates to a happier, more positive work environment. Whilst you might believe that your employees' health and happiness are largely out of your control, when you consider the significant amount of time that we spend at work, it becomes clear that our workspace can greatly influence these factors. We already know that healthy and happy employees take fewer sick days, so it's crucial that you cultivate a workplace that is conducive to this. After all, your business is literally losing money by engaging in practices that contribute to an unhealthy workplace. That being the case, it makes sense that you would invest in quality, eco-friendly cleaning for your office space. Number 4. Improved air quality. With regular eco-friendly cleaning, you can improve the air quality of your office space. This makes for a much more pleasant environment for your employees. Your staff can go about their business without breathing in dust and grime that builds up in a dirty environment. While some cleaning companies will use cleaning products that produce offensive odors and toxins, it's important to choose a company that uses more natural, less intrusive ingredients. Your staff will be a lot happier, and as we all know, happy staff are productive staff. It's also been proven that better air quality within an office leads to a reduction in fatigue, stress, and headaches. And lastly, number 5. Going green can increase profits. Economic studies indicate that companies that promote eco-friendly work practices are beginning to see an increase in profits. Such is the current focus on environmental sustainability. Consumers want to do business with companies that can demonstrate green awareness. And as a marketing strategy, being eco-friendly is an effective tool to differentiate your business from your competitors. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the 5 brilliant eco-friendly office cleaning tips. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.